So what is the best way to sort Legos? All right, well, my son is 9 and my daughter is 7, and they play with Legos all the time. And probably most of you out there in YouTube world and looking at this video is probably trying to figure out a way to store your Legos, and the best way to do that. I've watched several videos on YouTube about this, and some people are getting pretty crazy on how they store their Legos. I've seen what they call it, master builders, you know, professional guys that are building all kinds of, you know, 1,000-piece Lego sets, and they actually get pretty crazy with the way they store them. If you're like my kids and you're not professional builders, this is the best thing you can probably do to store your Legos. Ta-da! So I picked this storage case up from Harbor Freight. It was 12 bucks, and I think it goes on sale every once in a while. But the cool thing about this is that you have these little, each bin holds a certain amount of Legos. Now me and my wife, we tried doing, I should probably say my wife tried doing it by color coordination inside of drawers. But if you're like my kids, they don't always go back into the correct color drawer when they're done playing with them or when they're disassembling whatever they made. So if you're not trying to be that color coordinated with your Legos, then this is the next best thing as well. I actually picked up another one today, and like I said, got this from Harbor Freight. It is a 8-bin portable part storage case. Item number is 93927. You just go to their website and check it out. This was about 12 bucks. But yeah, so you can just grab the bins out and then you know, dump out this little amount of Legos, find the piece you're looking for instead of having to dump out a big bin like this one or like this one, and I put in a picture of up right now. But yeah, this is the probably the best way that we've found to store Legos. Cheap, easy way to store your Legos. Lego storage. The cheap and easy way, I guess you could say. The fast, quick, and easy way for Lego storage. So let me show you this. So close this up. Make sure the center one is closed. Go ahead, lock it. Turn around. Turn upside down. Nothing. They're still ready to rock and roll, and then you can stack them on top of each other too. Or if you put them into a bookcase, put them like that. So the overall dimensions of this case are 16.5 inches by 4.5 inches by 13 inches. So there you go. I just wanted to show you a quick and easy way to be able to store your Legos. So they're portable, holds them in place. They're not color coordinated, but if your kids are like my kids, they're not going to put them back into the drawers, into the correct color drawers anyways. So what difference does it make, right? Easy for cleanup, easy to find the part they need, and when company comes over, you can just grab these bins and put it into your rec room or your basement or wherever you are, where you don't want anybody to see your Legos. All right, there you go, guys. Hope this helps you out. If you found this video helpful or any of my videos helpful, please consider subscribing to Bundys Garage on YouTube. Questions, comments, concerns. You can reach out to me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter. And like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.